Here we are a few days after gunite of the pool, and we're starting on the outer perimeter wall, which is going to be a 2-foot high stucco masonry wall with 3 feet of wrought iron. And we're going to have a walk gate right about in this area here. And we've got coming up here to our retaining wall, we just got approval for the inspection of the grout, so now we can grout the cells in there. And we've got the drain line for the back of the wall, so that'll all drain. The next step here, we've got the rough gas line for the fire pit, which is outside of the view deck. And so we've got the fire pit is right about where the camera is, facing up there. So our next step is to get the trenches, the pipes shaded so that we can backfill those and start our rough grading. And also get the footings in for the observation deck, which is going to go in right in this area here. We're in the process of getting that scheduled so that we can rough grade. We're going to lift the masonry columns up several feet and then finish off the rough grade, and then we can raise the columns to the appropriate height and then start building the observation deck. So that's where we are right now. And next step, we should have some of these trenches backfilled and hopefully these footings for the view deck started. Okay, video follow-up on Thursday. This is Roger. He's with Sunsplash Pools. He's the head guy. So we're putting in an electric line here for the main pool pumps and so forth. Over here, been working on the irrigation valves. You can see right there, it's right next to the shed. So this will be that's a vacuum breaker there. That's kind of a main shutoff if you ever have to work on the irrigation system. You can see Roger over there. He's getting those deck jets set up. See, those boxes are pretty large compartments just for those deck jets. They're almost like a 5-gallon bucket because they hold the fiber optic and a lot of plumbing and so forth. They're going to be about I guess about 6 inches behind the back of the bond beam. So and like we talked about, we've got the here's the gas line for the fire pit that just got inspected and approved, and we're in the process of digging the view deck footings. Here we are, center line of the view deck. Give you a little idea there. See that string line going down the middle? So we got our footings all laid out based on the architect's plans. We're digging the footings for the landing, for the stair landing over there. So tomorrow he'll set up the rebar, and we'll call for inspection Monday. They don't work. County doesn't work on Friday, so it's sort of an off day for that. So we'll see. Hopefully they'll inspect everything and approve it on Monday, and then we can get the footings poured and the blocks started to go up several feet so we can do the grading. So that's what we've got so far.